charges when they are not in use. This saves energy and reduces pollution.
Parang wala nang bukas. Pwede bang
Second, reduce plastic. We use reusable plastic bottles and eco bags instead of single-use plastic. This helps reduce waste.
ikaw na tinataanan ko? Saan na to patungo?
Proper waste disposal. We separate recyclable and non-biodegradable waste and throw our trash into a proper bin. This helps or keeps our environment clean.
Dahan-dahang tumingin sa salamin upang makita ang ating
Care for plants. We water and care for plants because they absorb carbon dioxide and help clean the air.
Ang payapang kalangitan, oo, pagod ka na, pero di ka nag-isa.
This is June. Did you know that climate change is our responsibility? And yes, by making simple choices every day, we can help our planet by doing a small action to create a better tomorrow. And that's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Kada langhap sa hangin, pansin ko na lagi na lang usok. Walang malinis, halos puro pollution. Parang ako raw na konsumisyon. Gulong-gulo ang isip, san ba lulugar kapag nagkamali? Grabe sila manghusga. Bakit perpekto ba sila? Huminga ka ng malalim at isipin ang mabuti ang mga desisyong ilalaan para sa kinabukasan.